Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about ghost paper jams in printer part 2. Open your printer per the manual and check that there isn't anything in the print. Check that there isn't anything in the print rollers you might have missed. In the print rollers you might have missed. If possible, try gently rolling the paper rollers to see if they move freely. Or anything drops out turn the printer off and on again, or see if a factory reset, and on again, or see if a factory reset helps if the printer has the function. Helps if the printer has the function. A standard printer factory reset usually involves pulling the power cord. Pulling the power cord out for 30 seconds and putting it back in again, and putting it back in again. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.